Kili.
This is Kili, my Senegal parrot, and this is how she goes on her swing.
Kili.
Interestingly, when Kili was a baby, she was terrified of swings and any perch that wasn't completely stable. This is because originally she had her wings clipped and she didn't have any confidence in her movements. Whereas since she learned to fly, she's gotten really good at swinging, and as you can see here, she can be on a heavily moving platform, swing, shoulder, and be eating her treat and not even fazed one bit by it. Flight is really important to parrots. It not only is a way for them to move around, it also helps build a confidence in the parrot that they can move about freely and be a bird. I've always been amazed watching birds in the wild landing on very thin branches or heavily swinging trees in wind.
Kili.
And it's really exciting to be able to see Kili learn to do the same.
Kili. Kili. Kili.
Follow Kili and the Trained Parrot Flock on Facebook. Get parrot training supplies at parrotwizard.com. Read free articles about parrots on the Trained Parrot blog. And subscribe to the Parrot Wizard YouTube channel.